Good day guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. And in this video I'm talking to you about how to swap faces in a video using Gemini. So firstly guys, you need to prepare your assets. So you just open up your Gemini, or you can also use the AI Studio, and then click on the plus icon here and upload your source video. So, and also the tips for you as to which kind of video it has to be. So it has to be either your source video or a high-res target face photo. And the setup. So for the best results, your target face should be well lit and facing the camera, because Gemini 3 Flash can read the facial structure of your image and prepare it as a character reference for the video engine. Okay, so the prompt is as follows. Don't forget, before you upload your file. And after that, in the beginning, and you will have, of course, your video file that you can download from here. Let me show you. So I have, as you can see, some video here. So when it's generated, you can just press on download and get the file to your PC. Pretty simple. So that's it, guys. Enjoy your swapping faces. And of course, don't forget to subscribe.